Hello students, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss very important mole concept. How many moles of lead chloride will be formed from a reaction between 6.5 gram of PbO and 3.2 gram of HCl. Atomic weight of Pb is equal to 207. So molecular mass of PbO will be 207 plus 16, that is equal to 223 is the molar mass of PbO. Why I have done this? Because we have to convert these grams into moles. 6.5 gram of PbO into moles. So we do this by dividing given mass by molar mass. Answer will be 0.029 mole of PbO. We are converting mass of PbO into moles of PbO because in equation we are doing in mole term. 1 mole of PbO combined with 2 mole of HCl gives PbCl2 plus H2O. And when 0.029 mole of PbO is used up, so what does it mean? If 0.029 is used up, so 0.029 PbCl2 will be formed because 1 mole of PbO will give 1 mole of PbCl2. So 0.029 PbO will give you 0.029 PbCl2. Now wait, here HCl is also given. So this is correct answer, that we got it easily. But here twice of HCl is given, so what is the rule of it? So here this is excess reagent. Why? Because when PbO 0.029 is required, so 2 mole of HCl, 1:2 ratio, so HCl will be twice of 0.029, that is 0.058 of HCl, but HCl is given 0.087, that is very high value, so leftover HCl will be 0.029, means this is limiting reagent and it will limit the reaction, and this is leftover HCl will be left behind. How much used up? 0.058. I am giving you all such information because they can ask in different type of question, so you can easily understand what is limiting reagent, what is excess reagent, how much HCl will be left behind. But here we have to concentrate on how much PbCl2 is obtained. This is second or third type of question I have written. Okay, and our question is finished. First question answer finished over here. Clear? So first step is 1 mole of PbO react with 2 mole of HCl, you should know, and you have to write down balanced chemical reaction. After balancing the reaction, you have to convert PbO into moles and HCl also into moles. So PbO into moles 6.5 gram divided by molar mass of PbO. So we'll get moles of PbO, and the 1 mole of PbO gives 1 mole of PbCl2, so 0.029, which we have calculated, mole will give 0.029 mole of PbCl2. So answer B is correct. Now it is limiting reagent. Okay, 1 mole PbO gives 1 mole of PbCl2, so 0.029 mole gives 0.029 mole PbCl2. Excess we calculate by twice of